Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so I'm going to be doing like a New Year's Eve black smoky eye, like a really dramatic smoky eye with glitter, because I found a bunch of single eyeshadows that I forgot that I had while I was cleaning. And I have this Colourpop in Friskie, and like, bitch, let me tell you, like, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that. I want a big dramatic smoky eye, so like, I'm probably just gonna be using my regular eyebrow stuff and like a nude lip, but we'll see. I'm gonna use my DCM vitamin C drops. I have such a bad cough right now, in case you couldn't tell. Been sleeping in my parents' basement all week and I'm allergic to dust. So for Christmas I got a microphone, a new backdrop so it's not a shower curtain anymore, and some lights, but the two lights for my sides are too big to fit in like the way that I have my room set up. So I'm gonna have to like rearrange my furniture. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape and light sand just to cover the red spots, of which I have a few. Okay, why is it so hot in my apartment? Why does my one eye look like I've never slept in my life? What is wrong? Am I dying? Hello, darkness. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Fit Me powder. Now I'm gonna take my Private Party bronzer and my Morphe MB35. So this is gonna be more of a glam look. Something wearable. And I'm gonna take my Colourpop blush in Rom-Com and my little fluffy brush. I'm gonna have to put a lot of my no filter on today because for a black smoky eye, there's probably gonna be some fallout. Alright, so now for my eyebrows. I think I'm gonna do like a super fluffy brow. So I'm gonna use my Colourpop brow gel to kind of separate my brow hairs and make them look bigger than they are. Okay, so now that I've fluffed out my brows, I'm gonna take my Anastasia brow brush and my Kat Von D in Blonde and just fill in some of the patchier areas. Because as we all know, I have a patchy eyebrow.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
So now that I've got my fluffy brows and my base all done, I'm going to start with my smoky eye. So I'm going to use the James Charles Morphe palette. Big surprise. It's all I use. I'm going to start with, I think, a little bit of Tune on the outside and blend that in with Code James, just so it like naturally progresses from my skin tone to a black. So that like literally is my skin tone. So I'm just gonna use Code James. Alright, so then I'm gonna take a little bit of Benny, which is like a gray brown, like a cool tone brown. And blend that out from my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Morphe M153, or no, wait, I don't want a bigger one. MB15, which is my fat oval brush. And I'm going to take Spooky and just start to build up a solid black. So now I'm going to take a thinner version of the same brush, if I can find it. The M210, and I'm going to go back in with Spooky under my eye. I'm going to take my fluffy brush again with Benny and just blend out the bottom. Okay then, I am smoked the So now I'm going to take my Colourpop Friskie, the single eyeshadow. I think I'm just going to apply this with my finger. And I'm going to take my fluffy brush and get all the powder out of the way. I'm going to take my little tiny Morphe M213 with, I want more of like a white. So I'm going to take my, okay, so my MAC Crystal Avalanche, which is just like a white, kind of shimmery. Alright, and then for my inner corner, I'm also going to use Crystal Avalanche, but with a different brush. More of like a pencil brush. So I'm going to waterline with a black pencil. I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I think I'm going to do what I did last year, which is add a little gemstone, but you don't have to do this. I think I'm going to wear my favorite and most dramatic lashes, Flair from Rouge and Rogue. I love these bitches. I haven't put on eyelashes in so long, my eye is already profusely watering, which is great. Alright, and I'm going to be using my Buxom pencil, and again, this is the one that I have no idea what it's called because I've sharpened it down too low. Why can't I get this off? And I can't see the name of the shade. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray. Take my Morphe M524 with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the color Snow because it's sparkly white. My palette is disgusting, ignore that. And last but not least, I'm going to be using Beeper, which is like the most neutral brown that I have. Of course, it's the last one I pick up. So now, this is the final. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And I hope you guys are really excited for New Year's Eve. I feel like it's always overrated, but it still can be fun. I'm working, so what can you do? All right, I will see you guys in my next video, probably in 2019. Bye.